you've reached out, you've commented. Let me show you my outdoor kitchen setup that cost me less than $300. Okay, so several of you have asked for the outdoor kitchen setup. It's a very, I would say, cheap budget way to cook outside. This is actually a pizza oven table. It's an outdoor cart. This was very easy to assemble. My husband and son did it like, I don't know, it took them maybe 30 minutes. It was very easy. It's not super heavy, but it's not that lightweight either. I think it's great. The wheels do lock at the bottom, and you can see the shelving. This shelf right here kind of comes out. Oops. Well, it kind of comes out like a drawer. It's not very easy, but... And yeah, so this is where it sort of all starts with the outdoor kitchen. Okay, so let's go over the other part of the setup, and that is a portable gas stove. This is one that I already had. I did not purchase this for the outdoor kitchen. I had it already, so I used it. But you can find these online ranging between $30 to maybe like 50 for, you know, a good one. It just depends what your budget is. And this griddle was another, I believe it cost me, I don't know. I'll put something up here. You'll see. I'll screenshot it later. So with this griddle, portable gas stove, and butane fuel, plus this old patio table that I had even from my last house that we just keep using until it just falls apart. So yeah, budget friendly. I'm just using what I've got, and there we are. So this, the griddle, the gas stove, the portable gas stove, and the butane fuel. And then here's my little cart, my little pizza oven cart that I use to cook on. Okay, so here's the total, $261.43 if you're ordering on Amazon, or, you know, order wherever you want. But in this part of the video, I just wanted to show some of you how I cook outside. And if you did see the full video for these traditional cheese enchiladas that my grandmother would make, here's an update. She's doing a lot better. And she says thank you for all of the good vibes, the prayers, and thoughtful comments when she was sick. Okay. So this is done, and this is how I cook outside. Simple things when I just want to enjoy the weather and my crows. And comment down below if you want me to continue updating you on my crows. We'll call it the Crow Chronicles, as someone put in the comments. My crows are still there. So I heard that crows like eggs. And I did throw like a raw egg out there. They didn't do much with it, but I read that they like scrambled eggs. So these are just plain scrambled eggs. Okay. So our friends are up there in that tree. I think they feel safe like in this area, so. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think I saw one of the crows kind of fly. Let's see. I think I saw, ouch. Okay, it's been a couple of hours since I put the egg, and I see one of our crow friends. I think they're scoping out. I think he sees the egg. Okay, so quickly, as soon as I shut off the camera, it flew right back into the tree, the crow. He's up there in the nest. They left it there until we left the backyard, and late at night, I believe they ate up the scrambled eggs, so they don't really want to approach me, but I do leave food for them. I'm being a nice neighbor, so thumbs up to my crows. They're in that tree right there. So that's my outdoor kitchen setup. Check the description below this video. I will link or at least put information on what I purchased. And I hope you have a great spring and summer. The weather is so nice today. And I think I'm going to sit outside for a little while. See you in the next video. Bye.